on the go.
I was trying to make sure that you didn't know
No,
how
I'm calling
to.
police. You have to talk with them.
You don't know how to
I'm calling
operate
Hello,
the
I'm
machine.
calling police.
I'm not
Hello?
wielding any weapons or anything. But thank you.
341.
Okay.
Monaco gas station.
Okay, we're gonna wait here for the
Wait,
police.
he's coming.
I'm gonna wait for the police.
Huh? Road 46 West. Road 46 West. Monaco gas station. Monaco gas station. Yes, yes. Yes, one black guy has come. I don't know, he wanted to take my picture. Huh? My phone number is 973-643-6476. Right. One black person has come to my shop and he said he had lost his key. I told him, he said, show me the camera. I said, I cannot show you. I don't know how to operate it. And now he is planning to remove my picture. I don't know for what. So I am getting upset from such person, so I better prefer to call you. I said, let me call the police. I don't know, he is trying to create a problem for me. So I don't know what is wrong with him. So that's what I prefer to call you. I said, let me call you. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay. Just he's here only. That's it happened. Yes. No, nothing, but he is having a phone. He wanted to take my picture. I don't know why. So I told him, what? Huh? One person. Okay. He's coming, the police. Please do not go. You have to see him, not to me.
Well, the same applies to you. Don't speak
Hello?
to me.
Oh, wait,
I was speaking to them.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, what? No, what? Okay. Yes. He's here in my shop only, in the store. I'm not getting you properly. His bait. His back. Male. Must be 25, 30. And what? He's wearing a hoodie and pant, jean pant, sneakers. The color is a hoodie color is like a gray color, blue gray color. No. Huh? Yeah, vehicle is there outside. I'm inside, sir. I'm in the store. Yes. No. Huh? No. I just want you, because why he has come, I don't know. I want you to come and see him. No. No, he is still here in the store.
Because he told me to stay here. Tell him the truth. He told me to stay right here.
Okay. He is there only. He said, Yeah, but I would like you to come here and see him personally. Okay, please come. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, okay. My name is Mesa. M-E-S-E-A. G-U-L. I'm a storekeeper. Yes. Right. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
How you doing?
Yeah. He's the person.
She's the person?
Yes.
Yeah, he told me to stay right here. I was leaving out the store, but I was just checking to make sure that, no, essentially that, to see if I was able to obtain video footage. No, essentially because, no, I'm saying I didn't know if anybody was either on your end or if my lawyer's end supposed to receive the video footage, because I know that this
Video footage of what?
from an incident that had happened yesterday. And no, I'm saying I was just trying to make sure that my legal rights.
Yeah, your lawyer's supposed to subpoena it if you need anything from that.
All right, and I was just asking, like, no, I'm saying, do the videotapes get erased like every day, or the like?
You're gonna have to find that out through your lawyer.
I'll have to find out.
So, okay, you can't just. I mean, you can ask him politely.
Yeah, no, I
but
didn't. I never got belligerent or anything.
Okay. Well, if he's asking you to leave, you gotta leave right now, sir.
Yeah, but he told me to stay. I was leaving, and he said stay right
that's
here.
because he wants me to talk to you.
Okay. I'll leave.
All right.
No problem.
I'll talk to you outside in a minute.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Please tell him he doesn't come to this gas station again. I do not want to.
Okay.
Huh?
Wait outside.
Sure.